find these local delicacies for you to go back to the city with.
Mama.
You love them.
Mama, don't worry. Don't stress yourself. I don't need them. If I want, I can get in the city. I'm a big girl.
Yeah, no. Eh? You will love them. Okay.
No.
If you say so. Yes. I just want to thank you very much. Eh? Hey, look at that kind of party you organized for me in this village. Hey! Thank you very much, my daughter.
Mama.
I'm so happy. Thank you. Hey!
Mama, it's nothing. If I don't do it for you, who will I do it for?
My dear. But Sophia, Mama? Honestly, I'm worried.
Why?
Wait, you said you're a waitress. Eh? You serve food in a joint.
Yes, Mama.
So, how come you made such money? Look at how beautiful you're looking with that big car parked outside there. Eh? How come? Hey! And you make big friends. Look at that, your friend. Do you know she was spraying me dollars at that party yesterday? Hey!
Mama.
Where did she make that kind of money from?
Mama, the world has advanced. Just because I work as a waitress does not mean I cannot own a car or look this beautiful. Or even make friends with big girls. Okay, Mama, let me shock you. You know that girl that was spraying you dollars?
Yes.
She's my colleague.
No. Okay, wait. Okay, she owns the eatery, the restaurant. She owns it. Or she works as a waitress too?
No, Mama. She does not own it. Both of us, we serve our boss.
I don't understand. How come?
Mama, you will not understand. Come and see us off. Mama, come, you will not understand. Just
Sophia, honestly, I don't understand.
Thank you, Mama.
Johnny.
Mama, thank you.
Make sure you don't join bad friends at all. It's not good for you.
Mama, we will not.
Don't.
Mama, be safe, okay?
I will.
Don't miss us too much.
You know I will miss you, of course, now. What else do I have?
Mama, take care
I'll
of
miss
yourself.
you.
Take care of yourself.
Mama, take care.
When you get to the city, make sure you call me so that I will know you have arrived safely. Oh?
Okay, Mama. Bye-bye.
Take good care of yourself.
Bye, don't miss us too much.
Don't worry.
It's a dangerous game they are playing. Dangerous game. It's a dangerous game they are playing. A dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Every day for the team, but one day for the owner. Wow. If you want too much speed, slow down, cause speed is the kilo. I take life jeje, no dey para for life. What is yours will still be your own. Oh. It's a dangerous game. They are playing. It's a dangerous game. The game is so dangerous. So dangerous. It's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, they are playing dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's is the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous, their movements are spontaneous. They play in a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you want too much speed, slow down.
You're welcome to Frank's kitchen. Please, what can we offer you?
I won't be needing anything for now.
Are you sure? Nothing at all?
Not at all. Just help me call that lady.
It's a dangerous game. Dangerous. They are playing. It's a dangerous game. The game is so dangerous, 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 so dangerous. It's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, it's a dangerous game. They are playing dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous, 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 a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous, their movements are spontaneous. They play in a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you want too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kiddo. Take like Jaja, no the para for life. What is yours will still be your own. It's a dangerous game. Dangerous. They are playing. It's a dangerous game. The game is so dangerous, 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 so dangerous. It's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, they are playing dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous, 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 a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous, their movements are spontaneous. They play in a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you want too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kiddo. Take like Jaja, no the para for life. What is yours will still be your own. It's a dangerous game. Dangerous. They are playing. It's a dangerous game.
Sure, sweet. Jennifer, they talk to you. Sure, sweet now. If I say I won't. I thought you said you will show me your don't back. Why are you stunned? Madam, I beg. Pack well. Now waitress will be for here. So no shift mind come on from your work.
Baby, shall I hear? Jennifer, now lie you talk now. Jennifer, you own a car. Jennifer, you spray dollar for my mama baby, they scatter everywhere. I beg, don't they pretend saying a waitress they do, I beg. Shall they talk true?
Babe, now that one they bust my head. See the way she just sprayed. Jennifer, sure sway now. Sophia, you have a car too. You are sexy. And you're still a waitress? Oh, because I sprayed dollars? Now me choose to spray dollar. Now not choose to spray naira. Not choice.
No be choice anything. No be, you know as that dollar wey they spray they do me for inside heart. I almost faint. They tell me say na choice. Which choice? Not my choice so. Na dollar won't spray oh. You go show me way.
Tina, I beg. Now which laboratory they incubate your problem? Eh? What will be your problem?
Show me way.
And I say I won't. Leave me alone.
Na my trouble you dey find oh. You dey find my trouble. Come show me where you dey waka comot.
You no get sense, Sha. You no get sense. Babe, where you go, relax, calm down. Use loyalty, enter, make she show you way. You want kill her for night? Why you kill her now?
She go show me way oh. My mind dey tell me say na one Alhaji wey dey do bureau dey change. Na she dey date. Think am na.
No one think anything. Just calm down, be loyal to her. No dey shout, no dey do am like saying na by force. Take her easy. She go show. I na you show her the way before. Now you show her.
The dollar enter my eye. She don't look back. She disgraced us. Babe, you know they pay you.
No, it made me pass you. But babe, just code now. Coordinate yourself. You want to make person teach you something else. You think if you shout for me like this, I go show you way.
I don't hear.
Just take her easy, calm down.
I don't come.
They show her say you dey loyal. Maybe go show us way.
Go call her, make she come show us way. I don't come.
Who call her?
You.
Allow her, make she calm down first.
Sweetheart, what do you say about this?
About what?
About we employing the owner of Frank's Kitchen to aid our daughter in making food, especially continental dishes, for her husband. You know, she has been having crises in her marriage.
Are you, her husband, to decide who to teach her how to cook? Wait, aren't you ashamed that you're saying this from your mouth?
Oh, please, don't even go there.
I won't. Because I know you are not the one to decide to teach her how to cook, since you have failed as a mother.
Don't start this argument.
Don't bring it up.
My mother is bringing in a chef to come teach me how to cook. Aren't you even happy about that? Aren't you even happy that I'm so enthusiastic about cooking in this house?
No. I am not. You tell me, is this some kind of modern daughter arrangement in my house or what? Maureen, I asked you to meet Florence and learn. Instead, you chose your mother's opinion.
Well, I am so comfortable with my mother's opinion. Period.
You should be more concerned that your mother is not even interested in teaching you how to cook.
Whatever. Well, I'm actually doing this because of the 5 million naira. Nothing else.
It's a dangerous game they are playing. Dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous game.
Well, I'm sorry, bro. My wife says she can't help.
She can't help. Why?
That your wife insulted her secretly.
My wife insulted her secretly. I don't understand.
I mean, you know women and their ways. She said your wife says she can't cook and that she suspects a certain chef has been cooking all her meals. I mean, that's even a ridiculous thing for her to say about my wife.
What kind of talk is that? You see, Ken, I don't think my wife would say a thing like that.
But she did. She said it. Mike, ever since you've been coming to my house, Have you ever seen a certain chef cooking aside my wife in the kitchen? You know, I sensed jealousy and it affected their friendship.
Women. Ken.
Let me grab you something to drink.
Babe, please. We are sorry. We are very, very sorry from the way we treated you in the past. Please forgive us.
I am not even bothered about that. I mean, big girls don't bother about negative vibes at all.
We understand. We know you're a big girl, and we also know that fine girls do not get angry that much. Please forgive us. We are sorry. We want to be like you. See, you have a flashy car.
Sophia has a flashy car too. I mean, your fellow antagonist.
Jenny, please.
Please. It's not the same car. Please,
no. What did you get even want from me, Seth? What?
We want you to connect us. Link us.
Which link? Linkage?
Please, now. We want to be driving like your car, that flashy car. Please, now.
Enough. I'll see what I can do.
That means you will connect us. Thank you. Jenny, thank you. It's a yes, it's a yes. It's a yes, yes.
Thank you.
She will connect us. Thank you. Thank you, Jenny. Oh, Jenny, baby.
But please, let's clear this place up.
It's a dangerous game they are playing. Dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game they are playing. A dangerous, 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 a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They playing a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you want too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kiddo. Take life, Jaja, no the better for life. What is yours will still be your own. It's a dangerous game, dangerous. They are playing. It's a dangerous game. The game is so dangerous, 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 so dangerous. It's a dangerous game.
Yes,
a dangerous
come
in. Whoa, they are playing dangerous, 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 dangerous game.
Yes, young man.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon. And who are you?
Sir, I'm here to see Maureen.
My wife.
Sir?
You want to see my wife?
Madam Teresa sent me.
Hi.
Hi. Good day.
Good day. Are you the chef?
Yes. Frank's kitchen.
Oh, wow.
Yes.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Madam Teresa paid me to teach you how to cook for 1 week.
Okay.
So at your convenience, I would like to teach you how to make all kinds of food.
All right. That's fine by me. I'll be. Oh, it's fine. I mean, my husband. You know what? Just make yourself comfortable, okay? I'll be right back. Go ahead, sit down. Let me quickly, go check up on him.
Okay, that's fine.
Sit down, just feel at home. It's fine.
I should feel at home?
Yeah, feel at home. I'll be with you shortly, okay? Yeah, I'll be with you shortly. Let me quickly check on my husband. Harvey! What is wrong with you, Michael? I said I don't know the chef.
Listen, woman. I know when you're telling me the truth. I do. Be very, very careful with me.
Oh, please stop. I mean, when will you learn to trust me?
Who is talking about trust? Who the hell is talking about trust here? Maureen, do you know that chef or not?
Michael, please. Stop raving and ranting.
Call me Michael. And then I'm raving and ranting? Maureen, how dare you? Don't push me! Don't push me! For the very last time, who is that guy? Who is that guy?
Oh, okay, fine. He looks like someone I know, but he is not the one. He is not just the one. Can't you get it?
He looks like someone I know. He's not just the guy. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. I do not know what you and your mother are up to. But Maureen, listen to me. Be very, very careful. Sign again a miracle. Sign again a miracle. Maureen!
But you didn't tell me you were coming.
I didn't know I was supposed to take excuse before coming. Well, never mind. Teresa took you to her daughter's house. True or false?
Yeah, it was just business.
I know. I know she wanted you. True or false? True or false?
Can you stop, please? Alright? Can you just stop and... Please.
I don't want you to do that job for her daughter.
Excuse me? What?
Name your price, Obiora. Name your price and I will pay. I want you to stay away from Teresa and her family. If I ever find out that you are playing a smart one on me, you know you can't play this game. I, Lizzie, will kill you. It's not a threat. It's a promise, and I intend to keep to this one.
I need a grandchild, please.
I need a grandchild, Michael. Tell your barren wife to give me a grandchild.
Mama, with due respect, my wife is not barren. She's fertile.
Please, tell her to reproduce.
Mama, my wife doesn't give children. She doesn't. She's not God. This is just 3 years into our marriage. I mean, 3 years. And you're just ganging up on her like this? Mama, give her some peace of mind, please.
Michael, how many times did I call you? I don't care whether it's 3 years or 3 months or even 1 month. I don't care. All I want is a child. And you? I heard you came from a rich family. Let me tell you, I don't care who your parents are. All I want is a grandchild. And if you don't give me a grandchild, you will get in there and pack your things and go back to your parents. Did you hear me? Just give me a grandchild, just one. One, Michael. One, you, one. Just one, please. Just one. Give me a grandchild. I've said it all. One grandchild. Just one. A grandchild to carry, Michael, like 2 of you. I'm warning you, 2 of you.
I don't want you to mind my mother.
Michael, why not tell your mother that you have a low sperm count? Yes! Tell her so she will stop accusing me of being a barren woman, whereas I am not.
Lower your voice. Can you lower your voice? You know I'm taking care of my health. You know that. Please.
Look, I am bottling up all these insults simply because of you, and I'm not going to take it anymore.
Mama, I think it's high time you left my house. You have to go back to the village. If you continue like this, you can maybe marriage. You would spoil my marriage for me. Okay, eh? Mothers. Eh? Mothers.
What is wrong with you?
You want me to kill you?
Yes, I want you to kill me. Kill me. Kill me now. Kill me. I want to die. Kill me. Kill me.
You too handsome to die. You can't be saying this to yourself.
You said what?
Okay, let me take you out of this place, okay? I mean, it's late and it's dangerous here.
What?
Let me take you home.
Where am I?
I mean, we are in the middle of nowhere. Okay, let's go, okay?
Which car? I don't know you. Who are you?
I just want to help.
Help me. You want to kidnap me?
No,
Adana, may God punish you. You broke my heart. God will punish you anywhere you are.
You have said this like 100 times. I am sorry, okay? But that doesn't call for this. You're a man. You just have to put yourself together and move on.
Yes, that is what I am trying to do. I'm trying to pull myself together and move on. That is why I have to end it all. I have to kill myself.
Oh, no.
So I can give myself some peace of mind. Yes.
You don't have to do that. Okay? Please. I am so sorry, okay? But where are you going? Where are you going to? Where are you going?
Where am I going?
Yes.
I have a rope in the bathroom.
Oh my God.
So I want to pick the rope and tie myself.
No.
And strangle myself.
No.
I want to end it all.
I won't let you do that. Okay?
Why?
Okay, you know what? Let me lead you to the bathroom so you can have your shower and cool off.
Cool off?
Yes.
I can have my shower and cool off.
Yes. Let me just lead you to the bathroom, please, so you can go.
You need to go and see your husband. Then go to your husband and leave me alone. Leave me to hang myself.
No, I can't leave you like this, please. Oh! Oh my God. I'm sorry. Ouch! What have I got in this? Okay. Stop it. Hello? Hello, babe. Yeah, good evening. Babe, please, I'm so sorry. I won't be able to make it back home tonight. Yeah, I'll be sleeping over in my parents' house. No. It has nothing to do with Mama's problems, okay? I'll be coming back tomorrow morning. Alright, baby. Take good care of yourself. I love you. I should have just left him there. But what if he dies? What if another car crushes him and then run away? No. But he's not talking. What is he doing in the bathroom?
It's a dangerous game they are playing. Dangerous game. It's a dangerous game they are playing. A dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They play in a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. But they are playing a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you want too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kiddo. I take like Jaja no de para for life. What is yours will still be your own. Oh. It's a dangerous game. Dangerous. They are playing. It's a dangerous game. The game is so dangerous. 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 So dangerous.
Let me quickly get you water to drink, okay? I'll be right back. Let me get you something to eat, okay? And then I'll get something to clean up this mess.
Yes, I'm hungry and tired.
Yeah, don't worry. Let me get you something to eat. need some help? Why not eat some more?
I'm tired.
Okay, just have some rest and then continue later.
Sure, I will. Thank you.
It's a dangerous game. They are playing dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous, 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 a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous. They're playing a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Oh, they are playing a dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing. Every day for the thief, but one day for the owner. If you want too much speed, slow down, cause speedy the kiddo. Take life, jaja, no de para for life. What is yours will still be your own. Oh. It's a dangerous game, dangerous. They are playing. It's a dangerous game. The game is so dangerous, 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 so dangerous. It's a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. Whoa, they are playing dangerous, 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 dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. They are playing a dangerous, 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 a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see. A whole lot of activities going on before you. You will never know, cause they are in disguise. These girls are dangerous. Their movements are spontaneous.
Your friends?
Colleagues.
No, friends and colleagues.
Unfortunately, there is no friend in this business.
We're not friends, though.
We're not friends at all, at all.
I like your guts. You work for me. I will teach you the business. The system business. But you must remain as a waitress and still do your job.
That one is not a problem. But are you going to be paying us
Like dollars.
Jenny,
Boss.
you must teach your colleagues the ethics of this job.
Yes, boss.
It's a dangerous game. They are playing dangerous, 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 dangerous game.
In the kitchen.
Dangerous game.
Sure,
They
boss.
are playing a dangerous, 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 a dangerous game. It's a dangerous game. The more you look, it's the less you see.
How are we going to be doing that?
Leave that to me. I'll teach you how it's being done. That's my job.
Hey, wait now, who are the buyers?
They know themselves.
Have you done the system job before? And what if Mr. Frank gets to...
Sophia, can you tell her to shut up and stop asking stupid questions? Follow my lead and stop asking questions.
Tina, I beg you in the name of God, stop talking. Follow the lead. Let's go.
When you serve, you must protect your business. Watch how I do it. Watch is what I just said. And you must continue to smile. Be friendly and smart. No amount of money should get into your head. Very important.
Okay.
We are just waitresses.
I understand, but...
Tina, shut up. Just shut up. Move, let's go.
Are we good?
So this is past 11 a.m. in the morning. I've been here since 8 a.m. in the morning. Why are you coming to work now? Why are you just resuming work at 11 a.m. in the morning? Sophie.
Sir.
Tina. Boss lady, Jennifer.
Sir.
Sir.
So, you're not dumb after all. You can talk. But you can't explain why you're just resuming work.
Sorry, sir.
Do you know how much I saved to start this business? Do you know what it takes to make money? It's okay. No problems. Your salaries will be sorry for you by the end of the month. Enjoy the rest of your day.
No fit drink water, drop cup in peace, yo. I be waiting be the matter, boy. I be looking on say everybody wants to love ya, everybody wants to come move closer. No one wanna be the loser. That's why they shoot their shot. Hey, they want.
It be like say half of our customers are on drugs. I just see the all of them, they collect the wood. Wetin happen? Now I talk, I don't keep person.
Listen, those are not our esteemed customers. They are just here for the real business. They're only using our services as a disguise.
Oh, now I see. No wonder.
You have at least seen faces, right?
Yes.
Soon, you start delivery. Soon, you start delivery. You have to be smart and sensitive in delivering your package. Make sure you observe the place before you bring out your package. Maintain the waitress smartness and smiling skill while the tray is resting on your palm. Your delivery is also on your palm. You get?
We get, but wait though. How much is the payment now? How is it like?
Weekly payment. The higher your delivery, the higher your pay.
I'm in.
One more thing. Do not gather here for this kind of meeting again. Do you understand? Only at home.